Topographical surveyors in Indirapuram are professionals who specialize in conducting surveys and mapping the physical features of a specific area. Indirapuram, being a rapidly developing residential and commercial hub in Ghaziabad, requires the expertise of topographical surveyors to accurately assess the land and its surrounding features. These professionals play a crucial role in the planning and development of infrastructure projects, such as roads, buildings, and drainage systems. The main objective of topographical surveyors in Indirapuram is to create detailed maps that accurately depict the contours, elevations, and other physical characteristics of the land. This information is essential for architects, engineers, and urban planners to make informed decisions regarding construction and development projects. The surveys conducted by topographical surveyors involve using advanced equipment and techniques, such as DGP systems, laser scanning, and aerial photography. One of the key responsibilities of topographical surveyors in Indirapuram is to identify any potential obstacles or challenges that may affect the construction process. By conducting a thorough survey of the land, these professionals can detect any existing structures, trees, or natural features that need to be taken into consideration during the planning phase. This information helps minimize the risk of unexpected delays or complications during construction. In addition to providing accurate mapping and surveying services, topographical surveyors in Indirapuram also play a vital role in ensuring the adherence to safety regulations and environmental guidelines. They assess the impact of proposed construction projects on the surrounding environment and recommend appropriate measures to mitigate any potential negative effects. By hiring qualified professionals with experience in conducting accurate surveys, developers can make informed decisions and minimize risks during construction. Topographical surveyors in Indirapuram are experts who focus on carrying out surveys and recording the physical characteristics of a certain location. In order to appropriately appraise the land and its surrounding features, topographical surveyors are needed in Indirapuram, a fast-growing residential and commercial center in Ghaziabad. These specialists are crucial in the design and construction of infrastructure projects like buildings, roads, and drainage systems. Making precise maps that accurately represent the contours, elevations, and other physical features of the land is the primary goal of topographical surveyors in Indirapuram. To make educated decisions on construction and development projects, architects, engineers, and urban planners need this knowledge. Topographical surveyors use cutting-edge tools and methods, including DGP systems, laser scanning, and aerial photography, to conduct their surveys. Finding any potential barriers or difficulties that can hinder the development process is one of the main duties of topographical surveyors in Indirapuram. These experts can find any existing buildings, trees, or other natural characteristics that must be considered during the design phase by doing a thorough survey of the land. The possibility of unforeseen building delays or difficulties is reduced thanks to this information. In addition to offering precise mapping and surveying services, topographical surveyors in Indirapuram are essential